Children, next we are going to learn about greenhouse effect. Greenhouse effect and global warming. Greenhouse effect, global warming, acid rain, that and all we are going to see now. In 1987, a French mathematician and scientist, Fourier, Jean-Baptiste Fourier, he only coined the term greenhouse effect. Shortly, if you are saying, means a trapping of heat in the atmosphere by certain gases. Greenhouse effect means trapping of heat in the atmosphere by certain gases. Generally, the Earth's atmosphere allows most of the visible light from the sun to pass through from the sun, and it reaches the Earth's surface. As the Earth's surface, that is from the sun, it reaches the Earth, the heat. As the Earth's surface heated by sunlight, it radiates part of this energy back to space as longer wavelengths. And some of the heat is trapped by methane, carbon dioxide, CFCs, chlorofluorocarbon, water vapor present in the atmosphere. They absorb that longer wavelength radiation and block a large portion of Earth's emitted radiation. The radiation thus absorbed is partially once more re-emitted to Earth's surface. Therefore, the Earth's surface gets heated up by a phenomenon called greenhouse effect. So, what is greenhouse effect? It is defined as heating up of the Earth's surface due to trapping of infrared radiations reflected by Earth's surface by CO2 layer in the atmosphere. The heating up of Earth through this greenhouse effect is called as global warming. Without the heating caused by the greenhouse effect, the Earth's average surface temperature will be minus 18 degrees Celsius, that is degree Fahrenheit. Although the greenhouse effect is a natural occurring phenomenon, it is intensified by the continuous emission of greenhouse gases into the atmosphere. So, during the past 100 years, the amount of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere increased by roughly 30%, and the amount of ammonia more than doubled. If these trends continue, the average global temperature will increase, which can lead to melting of polar ice caps and flooding of low-lying areas. This will increase incidence of infectious diseases like dengue, malaria, etc. So, the rainwater which is coming from the atmosphere, it has a pH of 5.6. pH means hydrogen ion concentration, that is pH. pH of 5.6. Due to the dissolution of CO2 in carbon dioxide into it. So, the oxides of sulfur, nitrogen in the atmosphere absorbed by the droplets of water that makes up clouds. Already you have seen the clouds in the atmosphere. They are formed by oxides of sulfur and nitrogen and get chemically converted into sulfuric acid and nitric acid. So, the pH of rainwater drops to the level of 5.6, and hence it is called acid rain. So acid rain is a byproduct of a variety of sulfur and nitrogen oxides in the atmosphere. Burning of fossil fuels in power stations, furnaces and petrol and diesel in motor engines produce sulfur dioxide, nitrogen oxides. The main contributors of acid rain are sulfur dioxide and nitrogen dioxide. They are converted to sulfuric acid and nitric acid. Sulfuric acid and nitric acid by the reaction with oxygen and water, that is SO2 plus O2 plus H2O giving H2SO4, NO2 plus O2 plus H2O giving HNO3. These two acids are responsible for acid rain. So, due to acid rain, there are some harmful effects. Number one, acid rain causes damage to buildings and structural metals like marbles. This attack on marble is called as stone leprosy. Stone leprosy, that is marble calcium carbonate plus H2SO4 giving CaSO4 plus H2O plus CO2. Next, as number 2, acid rain affects plants and animal life in aquatic ecosystem. Next, it is harmful for agriculture, trees and plants as it dissolves and removes the nutrients needed for their growth. Number 4, it corrodes water pipe, resulting in the leaching of heavy metals such as iron, lead and copper into drinking water, which have toxic effects. Number 5, it causes respiratory ailment in humans and animals. Respiratory. These are the harmful effects due to acid rain. First one is stone leprosy. Number 1 is affecting plant and animal ecosystem. Third one is agriculture, trees and plants. Next, corrodes water pipes. Fifth one causes respiratory ailment in humans and animals. Everything given clearly in page number 263 and 264. Go through and mark what is greenhouse effect, what is global warming, what is its cause, then what is acid rain and harmful effects of acid rain. Everything given clearly in book page number 263 and 264.